So before the video starts, I'm selling my some CC. If you want preview, what does it actually look like? You'll find the Google Drive link in the description. And if you like it, you can contact me on Instagram to buy it. Want this Twitch shake? Hey, what's up my editors? And today I'm gonna show you how to create that Twitch shake in Alight Motion. And yes, we'll be doing it in After Motion. And yeah, the presets I used in this video are available on my WhatsApp and Telegram channels, so be sure to check those out. Alright, so without further wasting any more of your time, jump straight into the video. First of all, open your After Motion and get ready your clip. Now go to the effects section and then distortion and warp and add tiles. Now again go to the effects section and then blur section and then add motion blur. Then we have to go in effects section and then color and light and then add exposure and gamma. Now again go to the effects section and then move and transform and add oscillate. Again go to the effects section and then move and transform and add swing. Now again go to the effects section and add oscillate. Again go to the effects section and then move and transform and then add raster transform. Okay, so we have to add rectangle shape. Now go to the effects section and then others and add copy background. Now go to the effects section and then distortion and warp and add tiles. Now again go to the effects section and then blur section and add motion blur. After paste all the effects in every clips, now I'm gonna add null layer to create more vibration. Now we have to connect all these layers. Now go to the effects section and then move and transform and add swing. Then go to the effects section and again move and transform and add random displacement. Now your Twitch shake is ready. Okay, so today you've learned how to make Twitch shake on After Motion, but if you want to make more shake, check out the video on the left side where I show you how to make direction blur hard shake in Alight Motion. And in the video on the right side, I explained how to make microwave edit on Alight Motion. That's it for today's video. So this was Zenox signing off. See you guys in the next one. Till end. Peace.